Experience Makita cordless outdoor power equipment. With over 40 years of delivering cordless innovation, Makita is modernizing the way you work outdoors without the hassles of gas. The string trimmer has a direct drive brushless motor that delivers unstoppable power, increased torque, and trims non-stop for over a mile. Get the speed you need with 2 settings. It's lighter weight than gas string trimmers. The fast-charging LXT lithium-ion batteries and technology powers over 225 products to deliver unmatched performance. The cordless lawnmower features a commercial-grade steel deck for added durability. Cut up to 7,300 square feet of grass without taking a break. Use the quiet mode setting to reduce noise through constant speed control. A multifunctional design allows for bagging or mulching. Now quieter than ever, the cordless blower reaches speeds of 120 miles per hour. All that power is under your control with 6 speed settings. At 473 cubic feet per minute, it moves high volumes of air, so cleanups go faster. Cordless hedge trimmers deliver faster cutting speed than some gas models with more strokes per minute. Runs over 2 hours on a single charge. The 5-position rotating rear handle increases comfort during vertical and angle trimming. Cordless chainsaws are ready to work anytime, anywhere. The high-efficiency brushless motor provides power equivalent to a 32cc gas chainsaw. Engineered to work longer for up to 127 cuts of 4-inch diameter mesquite wood. Chain adjustments are made easy with no tools needed. The Makita LXT cordless system takes you from power tools to outdoor power equipment to get the job done. One system, endless possibilities. Makita.